not getting up.
He's looking at me a bit.
Look at how fast he's chewing it.
Looking at me a bit sheepish, Ed.
Oh,
He's going for ghosts and he likes that. He's trying to show us he likes that.
yeah. Okay, we'll be seeing you later, man.
Yeah, we'll go for a walk now. Yeah, thinks of that. Watch your fingers. Oh, we don't mind it. It's disappeared. Dad and Eddie walk about and that. We're in southern Scotland and we're in Dumfries and Galloway. This place is called Paul Maddy where we are, and we're going to have a look at one of these hydroelectric power stations that's down here. There's a series of them. Right, we've had to walk down the road a little bit here. We've been warned that this land we're about to enter, there's a lot of adders on it and they are particularly nasty at this time of year. So we're on the lookout for them. Obviously it's wild country out here, so we just need to be careful. No.
Or get angry. Sorry, I don't mean swearing.
No. Just as viewers. As viewers might not want to hear an 11-year-old boy swearing. Oh, frog, frog, frog. There, mate, come here. Little frog.
Where?
There. Come here, quick, you'll catch him. Oh, he's going to eat oil. Come here, look. You see him?
Oh, yeah, I see him. Jumpy little lad. Oh, jumpy fellow. Oh. Wait.
Here's some.
That certainly won't get up.
That would have get rid of it adders first, wouldn't it?
Trying to make the noise, but oh. Whoa. Imagine looking at it, look, like that.
Yeah. Cool little walk to work, innit?
Yeah.
It must kick out some power for the local area.
Yeah. You see those oils. Oh.
Yeah. This is what your granddad used to work in, power.
Yeah. He weren't in electricity, but he weren't in like water power. He was more in coal generator power and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You just can see like some kind of residue. This is super useless. Someone's peed in the bottle and chucked it off.
Yeah, I know.
Jesus. Just means. That's definitely radioactive.
It's definitely buzzing, innit?
I have to get a Geiger counter over it. I'm sure they've got a Geiger counter. Never fact this Geiger counter. Whoa. Holy Jesus.
Right, we're at Kendall Power Station. We're in the middle of the countryside, and another cool engineering thing, right in the middle of the country. giving people electricity. Well, why don't we all use this stuff if we've got it? Maybe one day in future we'll all have our own little power station. Don't mate?
It's an island holiday. My guess is there's gas in there. There is more than likely gas in there.
I don't know. You want to keep
Yeah,
it safe anyway.
I do think there's gas in there because, you know, it's the reactor. Sometimes, you know, they could use steam. Like, you know, steam engines.
Yeah.
They could use steam to make, you know, a steam engine basically.
Well, steam's how a traditional power station works, isn't it?
Yeah.
Steam turbines. Well, that's got a massive crane in there. Look at that thing up there.
Jesus.
Grab that. That's lifting something super
That's
heavy.
probably what they use to like transport tanks on. So they pop the like delivery vehicle on there,
Yeah.
and then they've got like tank at side there.
And they'll move it to put it into place. Yeah, that's probably it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just because like it's such a, you know, huge place.
It is one cool building, isn't it?
Yeah.
Same style as the other one we saw.
Yeah.
Art Deco, nice big windows. Beautiful.
Yeah. I think, right, Dad, your dad, okay, he could create a little steam engine, right, overnight.
Possibly, yeah. I think
Just
he's...
get like a little piece of coal, some water above like a can of Coca-Cola, then you've got steam.
Yeah.
And then put a little pipe going up,
And a bunk.
yeah, and then like,
Force it through a little propeller.
yeah,
Turbine.
yeah,
And then put a little coil on that.
yeah,
Take an electricity feed off that. Put it onto a battery.
yeah,
Bob's your uncle. Fanny's your aunt.
yeah.
Come on.
That's probably where they keep all power. I think that's a huge battery. Just a
It's
huge
some
battery
kind
inside
of...
there. It's like battery liquid. And it's all keeping power in there.
That is something to do with relieving pressure. You see the pipes that come down there?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So that will have inside it, I
A bit
think,
like, you know, like in
a
nuclear
large-
power plants.
a large like bung or something that raises and lowers.
Yeah.
And I think that
Like
somehow
that, like, puffs steam out.
it releases the pressure so it's not sending as much down
Yeah,
the pipe.
So it
Something
don't-
like that.
So it don't like, you know.
No, in fact, it must work the other way, yeah.
Yeah.
It must push down to create more pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it must have a huge weight inside it. Right, if anybody knows what we're actually talking about, let us know, because I'd love to know how this thing actually operates and how it's supposed to work.
Now, Dad, you're gonna get a lot of very, very long paragraphs in comments.
Well,
I already know it.
we might have very long paragraphs from very smart people, and that's like rest of our followers, so maybe even subscribe. Right, in a bit. Yeah. What a place to be a cow though. Ah, yeah, middle of nowhere. Nobody bothering them except us.
Except the beef jerky suppliers.
Yeah. Wonder if they know how much we love beef jerky. Maybe they do, mate. Maybe that's why they're making a move now, look. They're like, who are these?
Possibly.
Who are these and who's that with yellow top on? That's it.
Should get a red top.
We're scaring them, mate. We're scaring them. Right, so we've bothered the cows.
We've bothered a bunch of flies.
And there's spiders, mate.
They're spiders.
And little black spiders. We've got them in our back garden, same ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesus. just Swiss. There must be a nest in here. Oh, there's a snail under here.
And there, very quickly moving. If you do come down here, the circular route is just left and left and left, we've heard. It does seem to be heading uphill, but it's uphill both ways. Oh, let's hope it's right. We've just found this thing. A square cut piece of ground that looks like a grave.
Yeah.
Let's get moving.
It's right here.
Tiny lizard.
Whoa. Last camera said I'll try to pick it up.
Or is it a new? I don't know.
It might be. Never know. Oh.
Yeah,
Swimming.
it's a newt, isn't it?
Yeah. Lizards can't swim for that long.
Pretty cool, isn't it? Just leave it, mate. It's doing what it's doing. You don't have to scare it. You can see that fly. It is going to get it. Watch. It's going to get that fly. Watch it. Oh, he's hiding, look. He's hiding under there. Come on, he's scared of us, come on. I don't know what one.
Oh, this one's way better. Water's more clear, isn't it?
I don't know, it's reflecting a photo.
Yeah.
We've got plenty of footage of the other one anyway, come on.
Yeah. The colours way.
Let's have a look. Yeah. So these t-shirts we've got on are made of that?
Yeah.
Wild cotton? Let us know in the comments. Well, mate. So,
Put pocket knife on, end it stick.
there's a bayonet.
Yeah, as I could use it as like a little spear if they're like a snake attack. You know what I mean?
Possibly, yeah. Possibly. This has opened up into a bit of a view, hasn't it? Well, that's a big lump over there, mate. For sure. Right. This walk back to this village, I can see a house in the distance there. I'm hoping it's going to turn up soon because we're ready for some food, mate, aren't we?
Yeah, mate.
Whew.
We used to slice into its shoulder because that were you know, it's not very well, you know, it's not most protected there. Like the crevices in between the armour, like there,
Yeah.
they weren't protected for movement of the arm. If there were armour around there, it'd be like this.
Right, we might have to cut this short, mate, because we're on low battery now.
Okay.
We want to safely get back. If you do come to this remote part of Scotland and you do the loop that we've just done, don't take the very final left because it's just took us towards the back of the power station and the path ran out and it got into the kind of kind of a single track thing, and when we've heard there's an abundance of adders around here, it's not really ideal. We're making plenty of noise with the sticks, so I'm just making his presence felt. Because we don't want to bite in the middle of this territory, because we're a long way from an hospital.
Well, there's a bird's nest in it. Look.
Is there? That's a swallow's nest, that.
Yeah.
Ah, pretty cool.
Whoa.
See if you can hit the pond. See if you can hit the pond.
Yeah, hit the pond, Ed, hit the pond.
Hit the pond. Okay.
A bit higher.
Ooh, yeah, a little bit higher up. I saw it go all the way down.
You can put it in full auto if you want.
Oh, sick.
Switch this. There you go. Go auto. Ready?
God.
If you hold in the trigger, it'll go.
Right, Eddie's been waiting a long time to get his hands on one of these.
The trigger in, you'll go for it.
Oh.
Fire up pond.
I think it's tiny bit on your back.
I've not hit pond, have I?
Yeah, chuck
No,
that in.
yeah, don't use all these bullets.
No, it's alright, we've got hundreds left.
Yeah. You do this one, do it.
Right in.
Pull this.
This wee lever.
Yeah.
Pull that back. That little ball.
And the wee bit side this one.
There you go.
Oh, I really want one.
Heads it up, so good.
YouTube, this is fake guns, by the way. Yes, that's good. Oh. Put it back in the centre.
Oh, it seems to know what he's doing.
Oh, look.
If you aim a wee bit higher, you never get it in the pond.
Come on, in foot pond, mate. Get one in there.
Might need to go for lion size. Oh, I can't get it.
Right. Maybe it's time to give it back now. Come on.
You want to get it, try that?
Oh, so much do I. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, like.
Dad, don't put your finger on the trigger, mate.
I can hold it there, can't I?
You need to. I think what you do is, Dad.
Yeah.
Let me just show you. You put your finger
Don't
there,
Not on trigger.
not on trigger. You say don't fire it.
Well, I'm trying to fire it, Anna. Right, into the pond, yeah? That dicky bird. That go. Oh,
Good, there you go.
we got it.
He's got it, he's got it. You can see ripples.
Oh, thank you so much.
Pretty nasty.
Lovely little brown trout there.
Yeah, you got